Hey guys, so I'm back with another BT21 DIY and this is really fun. So basically I found these heart-shaped light up wands and of course it reminded me of Tata, so we had to make him. Obviously these are perfect for Halloween as well when you're walking and trick-or-treating. But anyways, so the first thing I did was I traced the heart. That way, I can scan it onto my machine and resize all of the faces that I'm gonna cut out of permanent vinyl just to make it easier, and I know that's gonna fit the wand. So yeah, it's cutting that. But yeah, I'm really excited for these. Stay tuned for the Frankenstein one because I also did Tata and Frankenstein. Like I said, perfect for Halloween to carry as you guys are walking and getting candy. But anyways, so yeah, I'm cutting out the faces. If you guys would like the cut files, let me know. But yes, you can see I did the other characters as well. If you guys also would like to see that, let me know so I can edit the video. But yeah, so basically I'm just, removing all of the vinyl and the axis, and then I'm gonna stick it onto the wand. And from there we're gonna start working on the bow because I thought it would be cute if we attached the bow, just to make it a little bit more fun. But yeah, this is the Frankenstein Tata because when I bought the light up ones, it came in multiple colors, and gotta get creative. But yeah, anyways, so for the original Tata, I ended up cutting a lot of iron like glitter circles so it could match. You know how he has like the blue and yellow like dots? So that's exactly what I did. I basically cut out a lot of circles and stick them onto the ribbon, and well, heat pressed on them, whatever. Is like I used my Cricut, and uh I know I'm so extra, but I just wanted it to resemble the character, so this is how I did it. But yeah, so once that's all ironed on, I started working on the bow, and then I attached it onto the wand. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This DIY was super easy and fun. Let me know what you guys think, and if you guys would like to see the other characters as well, let me know. But this is basically how it turned out. See, let me know. Oh, also, it would be fun if you guys color or spray paint the wands as well, like, because I know they're white. If you wanted to match it, you can, but I just kept it white. But yeah, this is how they turned out. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.